Why does a member of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation want the fish house at Linstead Market demolished? The matter was the subject of lengthy discussions at the latest Health and Sanitation Committee meeting at the corporation. TVJ's Krista Campbell has more.
From the outside, it seems like business as usual at the popular Linstead Market in St. Catherine, and inside some sections of the market, just the same. But the fish and meat markets are causing concern for the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, and here's why.
We have 14 concrete sinks, and each sink supposed to have a tap, and of these only 2 taps working in these sinks. You have blocked drains which resulted in accumulation of water on the floor. The floor is heavily pitted, and the doors are unable to close.
And the meat market is no different.
The meat house, there are some hand wash stations that are installed, and there is no connection done. The door is not meshed. The mesh door is not inched.
Add to those issues the lack of piped water inside the markets. 12 huge black 1,000-gallon water tanks are installed at the facility, 6 of which are dedicated to bathroom facilities alone.
We are not connected to the National Water Commission, but what we do is to use our trucks to fill existing tanks that we have. I think over 12 tanks has been installed, and we have been using that. So there's water, but what we need to do is to correct some of the systems in terms of the wash and basins, which are damaged by some of the users of the market.
It's not the ideal situation for a food facility, but Chairman of the Health and Sanitation Committee of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Sydney Rose, says funds are available to repair the market and some work has already been done. He says the local government minister, Desmond McKenzie, has promised to provide the funds to finish the work. But one of the markets is expected to cost much more than the council can afford at this time.
The fish house, I just wish we could knock it down and build something new, because you have this old dilapidated thing to fix from scratch. It is going to cost us a pretty sum, but it has to be done, and we will find the money.
The commercial services manager at the corporation says the issues at the fish market should be addressed by the end of this month. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.